How to convert image into Excel data. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to Microsoft Word. Once you are in here, click on Insert at the top left. And then you have to select Pictures. After that, click on this device. Your files will open. Head over to the folder where you have stored the picture. Click on the specific picture and then click on Insert at the bottom. Well, it has been inserted in your Word. Now what you want to do is head over to the top left, click on Files and then click on Export. You have to export it as a PDF. So in the section of Save As Type, you have to select PDF. Enter the file name and then click on Publish. We have now gone and created a PDF. Then in the Word, click on the top left corner and again click on File and then click on Open. You need to do is go to the document that you have just created and then click on Open. Click on OK. Now what you want to do is you have to select this table as a whole and then open up your Excel. You have to paste this table and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can convert image into Excel data. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.